Hello, how you doing? Look, we're going to cook this fish today. This fish is called Safi, also known as rabbit fish. It's got a little masala on it. We're just going to simply fry it. It cooks really, really easily. Very, very big fish in the Gulf region. When I say the Gulf, I mean Bahrain, Saudi, UAE, that kind of thing. Welcome back to How to Cook With. So I've got a 1/4 cup of lemon or lime juice, 1/2 cup of oil. I'm using an olive oil. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, which is a 50-50 mix of the two. 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. 1 of chili powder. 1 of turmeric. 1 of salt and 1 of pepper. They're the spices I'm using. Think about adding some thyme, some cardamom powder, some black lemon powder. In fact, it's up to you, but yeah, that's what I'm going with. We're gonna get that in a bowl and give it a little mix to make a little paste. Olive oil is in, lemon or lime, salt and pepper, coriander powder, chili and turmeric, and then finally the tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. And there we have it. So the fish that we're using today is called Safi, also known as rabbit fish. I've got 8 pieces there, which is just about 1 kg. Now they've been cleaned, so the guts have been taken out and the top fins have been stripped off. Now this is a very smooth skinned fish. You can't descale it, you know, it's just a very smooth skinned fish. It's very bony, but it's very tasty. What we're going to do is we're going to take our masala mix there and we're going to get that on. And you can see that I've got a glove on because I'm going to go in and just mix that together and try and get as much of it on, in and around the fish as we can. Now if you could leave that in the refrigerator for like an hour at least, that would be fabulous. Okay, so you're gonna need a frying pan, skillet or something like that. You don't need any oil in there. Some people would fry these in oil, but we've added lemon and oil to this. Sometimes I will fry them in oil, but this method we're not gonna be doing that. We're gonna take the fish. I'm gonna be batch frying these obviously because we don't have enough room in each of these pans. Just gonna go 3 at a time. And then just with my hand, I'm just gonna take a little bit of the masala. So we're above medium heat. Not massively high, but you know, high enough. And we're gonna just cook these for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. They're very, very simple and delicious. Now, one of the reasons that we're not adding oil, because sometimes I fry them, like I say, in shallow fry them or something like that, is they break really easily. So you can sometimes put these in oil and you'll end up with just the bone. But this way, they're going to cook beautifully and remain whole. And they cook very, very simply. They are a very small fish. And you can get them much bigger than that. You can get them big, like just I can only fit 1 in there. But apparently, people say that the smaller they are, the tastier they are. So that's beautiful. You can see we've got a little blackening on there, which is fabulous. And the pan is really smoking. So they're going to come out, and I'm going to repeat the process. Now what I've done is I've just taken some kitchen towel, and then I just wiped out the blackening from the previous fish. Job done, very, very simple. Serving that with some white rice. That's it. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.